This 2021 Keystone Alpine 3910RK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Willow Street, Pennsylvania, 17584 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide-out, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bath, rear kitchen, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.